that drive.
I got then that way I say, no.
Same one, but all you do is just take her back.
No, can't talk about from a different angle. You want the one for this vehicle. No, man. Bring up back this one.
So PS3, if you get one TPS, you fit back this one.
And that way I say.
Yeah, man. And then you convert the cable. And you rev down where you
It's cable now to convert the
I see same thing. I see same thing.
Yeah.
So I just want
everything else good, you know.
Yeah.
This a plug on there, you know.
Yeah.
So PS3, the problem is I just say
TPS.
Then I get one TPS.
Yeah.
Yo, another fire in here. Another fire in here.
Then PS3 on TPS, you want then you're going to dash your whole track about it.
No, you mean say dash your way.
You have to put it down then just carry on.
We have to put it down and wait till we get what we want.
No, Yeah, your one can't get the full work no boy. You have to get the one for this. You have to get because this a right hand drive.
Yes.
That a left hand drive. So what left hand drive? I'll right hand drive one. Yeah.
That way I explain to you.
No, man.
No, it can't work with this one. And that mistake can't work with this one.
No.
You have to get the TPS with this.
What PS should have said international that he want one right hand drive TPS and fit back this a tracker body can fit him on a left hand drive. That's easy as that.
Alright.
No,
ring my road.
No, you know? You have to go back to the computer. Go back to the computer.
Let me see back it goes to all
We can't pull up everything you say, you know.
We don't say no.
And probably I'll convert it to, you know.
Alright. I'll feel one a 2 hole same way.
Yeah.
I want a 3 hole or
You buy 3 hole with TNT. This one take off and well.
But you know, this one like you broke, you know.
You see that?
So,
That's not easy to fix.
alright, hold on.
That's easy to fix, you know.
No man, enough for well. So your own can bolt and polish, your vacuum unit can roll.
No man, you don't care for me vacuum carry over this.
Over this side of you. We just get what I say. So you want one TPS in match back this a tracker body.
But this not to take off either. Pull the bolt and try.
Slide it down.
You say we can't shift.
I say one button to tap you and get some bam and tap you one time and lift it. I don't like that again, a whole heap of swing pan, nobody not turn up on it. Say if you remember tap you, yeah alright. You can see this up.
All they have to do is push it to the down where you know.
But even when they get a tap that.
No man, you can't time this. Every time this, you hold it something.
So PS, you just want to work on TPS?
Yeah. Yo, listen to me. Wait now. Our size board you want? 2x4.
What size board?
You man want to get a board PS, you know get a man a second.
No. A fan belt now go work.
Fan belt.
Well, that's how you your muscles, man. I broke your board. What are you doing, man?
Yes? More see the cat. Hold the light for the show. I'm fine, man.
You know, PS, yeah, man. We want lacerate your muscles. See? I broke one of your bones.
Come put it back in the GPS.
Yeah, because we don't want you last this turn. Because you have a race. No, man, hear that. Yes, you have a race. Watch out again. You have a race. Come put it back in the PS.
Gonna pan it, I know.
Alright. Look. You see how this one there up? Eh? You see it?
Yeah.
See there? If you see it, if you bolt up there,
So, Shelley,